What's up? A trade recap for what's the date? 17th August 2026. Should have been a good day. I mean, like I had a good day, honestly, because I took one single trade and it did play out really awesome, but I didn't capitalize the trade. But it's okay. Lesson learned. I was literally talking to myself, saying to myself, if my entry was here, which is supposed to be, my entry should have been here. Let's say if my entry was there, and I would have got out exactly at this high, right? If my entry was a bit late, I mean, a bit early, or I should have wait for this. Once that inversion happens, fair value gap is holding. I just took the trade. So I thought at one point I thought the price definitely going to come swoop me out, but I just had this stop loss below this swing low right here. And then once I saw this inversion straight up, knew this take profit is going to get smashed because I mean this high is definitely getting smashed. And once price break about this one, I'm going break even. So that's what I did, and it did play out really good. I mean, just one contract. What would I do? Like, so what would I do? I cannot do nothing. My account is on real trouble, and I just have to get whatever the things that the price actually giving me, the market actually giving me. So, yeah, I mean, uh, whatever, bro. I was just so dumb enough to hold this trade, and I was talking to myself. Once price sweeps 930 high, which is here 930 candle open high. Once the price sweep that, and this is going to be the final target, right? Like so, if once this high has been swept, and price definitely going to reverse. I swear to God, I was talking to myself, and just because I was just greedy enough to hold this trade for like 20 more bucks, I got stopped out at break even. So I'm not honestly, I'm not like I don't regret this, but yeah, I just could have made me feel a little better if I just closed it at that high. I mean, just like how I was talking to myself, like I have to close this trade at this high. It is written like it definitely has to close at this point. So even after the shop, blah blah blah, right? So like I, I could have closed it anywhere, or I should have trailed it to 1:1, maybe secure some bit of profits when your account is something like this. So you definitely have to make sure that you actually trade properly and capitalize every single bit of move that you get. So I was just looking at the price, there's no move to be honest. But once you see this, right? Once this is the final leg of manipulation. As you can see, we still have a lot of generated liquidities above. We still got this high, and this high. This everything is generated liquidity, and like this is a trend line liquidity, right? So we got multiple reasons to go buy and I mean go for a buy entry. And if this fair value gap might have hold, I mean, and then probably maybe inverse this fair value gap, then we could probably look for the price to go lower, which it did eventually. Because when you go to 15-minute time frame, you can actually see what it is because we still got this low, right? So there's not a lot of uh how to say, there's not a lot of engineered liquidities, but definitely price has to come back down to these zones rather than going above, right? So mean, basically, and also this unfilled 15-minute gap should have been the target, and I was so knocked out from the medicines. I didn't even get off the bed. I just traded off the bed. Like I was sitting on my bed and I was just trading on my laptop. So, uh, but yeah, I could manage to catch this move, spot this move, and be in this move, even though if it's a one contract. But I'm so happy that I could able to catch only the expansion probably. That is not even the expansion, probably. That's the only best move that we got in New York session. So yeah, at the end of the day, I was not looking for anything. When you go 15 minutes seemed a little bullish because of this gap right here, and the 15-minute gap is still holding. I wanted to see, I was so bullish because of this one thing. And also, price generated a lot of liquidities above. But one more thing why I don't want to go for a buy entry because be before the market open, right? Like before market opens, why, dude? Look, before the market opens, price actually sweeps out the London session high. So, so I wanted to like wait. I mean, I wanted to see the price going down, and that's what it might mean. Like probably if this would have held, like I mean, I should have waited for a sell entry, but this seems more obvious. And yeah, my I was just following the rules. I was just following my plan. And one plan that I didn't follow was this should have been my entry. This is definitely should have been my entry, right? So, or maybe here, somewhere here. I don't even know, man. Or consequent encroachment. Maybe I don't know. I really don't know. But whatever happens, happens. Like I just could have capitalized it. End of the day, I didn't do it, so it doesn't mean that I cannot do it. So I can do anything. I can do anything that I put my mind to. So as anybody in this whole entire world. So I'm happy that I caught this move. Happy that I got break even, not a loss. But anyways, following the rules is really fucking awesome. I just love it now. And I can even if I want to break my rules, like take the straight, like, bro, I don't want to. So end of the day, it is what it is. And I'm just done with the straight recap. So it is as always, you gotta believe in yourself. You can do anything. I had $89 on this account as a buffer. Now I grew it up to $300. Now it's freaking awesome, right? Like I probably would have got another winning day. Probably my equity would have raised probably to 400. I was really happy once, but I never expected the price would reverse from there. Whenever I hold my trade at break even, definitely comes back to my break even. Whenever I actually close my trade, it'll keep going. It'll keep going up, and I don't know why. And yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Like I'm grateful, happy that I actually got this move. Um, okay, that's it. Wow. I was just holding that for a very long time. Okay. As always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Without God, you cannot do nothing. And just keep moving forward, never give up. And adios. Adios.